What's up guys, welcome back. You're watching Tayo Money. So in this video I'm going to be placing a live withdrawal from this site. This recent video I posted on my channel, this particular one right here guys, this video about this free Pepe Coin mining website. So I'll be placing a live withdrawal from this website to see whether this site is legit and is paying guys. So let me just go to the website real quick and we'll place a withdrawal of the mined amount of Pepe Coin we have mined currently guys. Remember, this website is a free website it's a free Pepe Coin mining website. So all you need to do, just subscribe to my YouTube channel for more latest content. So this is the home page of this Pepe Coin mining website. So how are we going to go about the withdrawal? You can see currently we have mined about 149 Pepe Coin currently on my balance guys. So what I'm going to do here, we're going to be withdrawing this amount of Pepe Coin on my mined balance right here real quick. So to withdraw, you just have to click where it says withdraw. Remember I told you guys, for you to mine here on this website, you need to have a Faucet Pay account guys. So you just sign up with your Faucet Pay email address guys. So I will just click on withdraw here. So clicking on withdraw, you can see it says you must have a Faucet Pay account with the same email used to create account. So you can click here to create your Faucet Pay account for you to be able to withdraw. So I'll just click where it says max. So clicking on max, the maximum amount of mine will be reflected. So I'll just have to click on confirm payment, confirm payout. So clicking on confirm payout, you can see that success, your withdrawal request is being processed. You will soon receive it in your wallet. It's to show that I've successfully withdrawn 149 Pepe Coin, which have been mined to my Faucet Pay account. You can see right here 149 Pepe Coin has been withdrawn successfully. You can see the status, it has been paid. So let me head over to my Faucet Pay account and check whether this payment has been received or not. So clicking on searching Faucet Pay.ai, I'll click on where it says user dashboard. It will take me to my own user dashboard. So going right there, you can see, let's scroll down here, you can see payout received today 1. It shows that we have received a payment from this website. So you can see right here, you can see Sir Pepe free miner. I received 149 Pepe Coin currently from this website. So you can see, clicking right here, you can see here we have about 150 Pepe Coin currently on my balance guys. To show you that this site is legit and is currently paying. So if you want to start earning here on this website as I'm earning for free, all you have to do, just watch the previous video on this channel vividly and to show you how you can go about it, and you start earning you start mining free Pepe Coin for yourself guys. The site is absolutely free, it's legit and it's paying guys. So if you want to start doing that, just follow the steps in this video vividly guys. So guys, if you find this video useful, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more latest content guys. Thank you all guys for watching this video. See you guys in my next video.